Einstein Rock Paradise. Here we have 4 different lines and there are 8 coins in each line. We'll start counting from this line. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now in this line we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this line we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we have 8 rocks in each line and there are 4 lines. And remember, 8 times 4 is 32. Now we'll be adding 1 extra rock in each of these lines. So I'll be starting with this line. I'll add 1 rock into this line. Now I'll be shifting 1 rock from here to here. I'll shift this rock from here to here and this rock from here to here. I'll shift this rock here and this here. Now we'll again count all these lines. Now starting with this line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Despite adding an extra rock, we still have 8 rocks in each pile. So now we'll be adding another rock to one more pile of rocks, and this time I'll be adding a rock to this pile. Okay, so now I'll shift this rock from here to here. I'll shift this rock from here to here and this goes here. And see what happens to each pile. We'll start with this pile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, this still has 8 rocks. Now coming to this pile, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This also has 8 piles. Now coming to the vertical one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This also has 8 rocks. Now this line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Yeah. Now let's see what happens when we add another extra rock. Now we'll add this rock into, let's say, this line. Okay. So I added 1 rock here. Now what shall we do? I'll shift this rock from here to here. This again goes here. This goes here. Now let's shift this here and this here. Count again and see if there's any change or not. Okay, we'll start with this line this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, this still has 8 rocks. Now coming to this line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This also has 8 rocks. Now coming to this line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now we'll add this last rock into this line. So I'll add this rock here. Now I'll shift this rock from here to here. This rock goes here. This rock goes here. This goes here and this goes here. Okay, now let's count and see. So now start with this line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now this line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And the last line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we added 4 rocks in each different line, but still there are 8 rocks in each line. And now comes the last and the final one. We'll collect all the rocks, take them together, and we'll be adding 5 different rocks to this. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let's count and see how many rocks do we have in total. We'll start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And you're the last one. So we have 31 rocks in total. 4 rocks in each line. And at the last we also added 5 different rocks to the collection of rocks, but in the end all we have is 31 rocks. So can you guys tell me how is it possible? We did not have any secret rock, there's no magic, only the thing is we have a simple trick. So can you guys find out and let me know what's the trick behind this? As we are all quarantined in our houses, Do try this puzzle and ping me if you get the solution. Stay home, stay safe.